So I mean, I guess like the cool thing about these new like mini versions and stuff is like they would make great Christmas gifts, you know, with the holidays. Woo! Okay, oh. Yeah, son.
I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yup. Okay guys, I am back with another video. I am here to bless your screen. So for this video, I just got something from Sephora. Guess what it is? Bam! Some Fenty Beauty. Yes. Okay, yeah. So this is the new Glossy Posse from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And so I'm excited to try this. Yeah, I said before that my favorite makeup products are lippies, lip products. And I think when she first launched the Fenty Beauty makeup and she only had just that one gloss bomb, just that one lip product, and I was like, you know, I love it. I'm wearing it right now. The original one. I'm wearing it over a lipstick and lip liner, but I said that I hope she comes out with many more lip products because, you know, that's my favorite types of thing. And of course, since then she's launched more. I haven't really gotten, actually I haven't gotten any. This is like the first thing, so I mean, I don't know, because like she just be launching stuff and then like I don't be having money like that, you know. But you know, like I'm trying to get on that Fenty Beauty PR list, okay, so that's why I need to, you know, I guess I gotta get my channel popping and whatnot. But yeah, so I did just buy this. This is like almost $50. It's actually like, it's $42 plus tax, so basically it's almost $50. So, well, basically, you know, Rihanna, she be launching like new products like every month. Like she just be dropping like boom, boom, boom. It's like, you know, I still didn't get the last thing, like, or I, you know, like, now it's like, okay, now do I want to get this, or do, you know, like, what is going on? And every year she usually releases something like around the holidays and stuff. So she released a holiday series, like right now is like a lot of like a few like mini products. She got like a mini body lava, which, you know, I want that, the mini body lava. And the she had like a new lip stunner. It's like, I think it's called Underdog, and it's a mini version. People are hoping that we'll get full sizes, but there's a mini gloss bomb that's called yeah, it's called Sweet Mouth. It's like a light pinkish and it comes with a highlighter and like it's like a little mini set. Anyway, so this is the gloss bombs, the Glossy Posse. So I got this because it was so hard to choose. Like there's just so many things, and I just said, you know what, I love lippies. I do love the original gloss bomb. It's like, you know, this gloss bomb is like, to me, it's the best lip gloss ever. Like seriously, like it's so moisturizing. Like I'm the type of person where I have to have like chapstick or something to moisturize my lips, like Vaseline or something. So like wherever I go, I have to take that with me. I don't know, this lip gloss is like, if I have this lip gloss with me, I don't need to have Vaseline or something because the lip gloss itself is moisturizing enough. Like it's not like that sticky, tacky type of lip gloss. It's just like, it kind of has that greasy feel like Vaseline, but then it has like that tint, a little tint of color. Like, yeah, it's the best lip gloss ever. And then it be lasting like a long time on my lips. Like, I don't even have to keep reapplying it that much, really. Like, I don't know, that lip gloss, hold up, where is it? This lip gloss is the bomb, okay? Like, I love this lip gloss. It's like the best lip gloss ever. It's the best. It's my favorite lip gloss. This is, you know, the full size of the original Fenty Glow. And there's like a lot of product. I had this for a long time already. So it's like, it's not even halfway gone. It's still like up here. Like I got this like kind of around the time of the first launch, but it's still good. Like, yo, there's 5 new colors. Pretty Please Fussy, which Fussy is actually was already released in a full size before, right? So, but I don't have that one, so I'll get to try Fussy because I heard that a lot of people like that one. And then there's one called Confetti, Hot Chocolate, which is like a brown one. Ooh. And then Cheeky, it's like a reddish one. So yeah, I can't wait to try these, guys. I'm so excited. But you know, and that's the thing about Fenty Beauty is like I love the packaging. You know, I can't get this off. It's like in a tin like container, like a tin container, and it has like this cardboard sleeve on it and it's like shiny. Oh shit, I should like show up close of this. I forgot. Like, you know, struggling to get this off. It's on here pretty tight. Nice, pretty. Got fingerprints on it, son. So I mean, I guess like the cool thing about these new like mini versions and stuff is like they would make great Christmas gifts, you know, with the holidays. Woo! Okay. Ooh. Yeah, son. Okay. Pretty. So it's like a brand new, like, oh my gosh. Okay, so it's like inside this, like, this is like a suede type of, you know, and then each gloss is in there. But yeah, it's like it would make like a great Christmas gift, you know. Like this is something like, well, I mean, if I didn't just get it now, like I would love to get something like this for Christmas, you know. Like this is a great gift to get somebody if you know they love Fenty Beauty, and you know, and like a lot of them, some of them are like stocking stuffers and just like, you know. But yes, I still want the body lava and the oh, what is it called? Oh, it's called Bomb Baby too. Because there's another one that's called Bomb Baby, and this one is called Bomb Baby 2, so it has like a mini pink gloss in it. Okay, so this is the full size next to the small size. And the thing is, the mini lip glosses, I mean, even though, I mean, I know we all want full sizes of these, but at the same time, like these mini ones, like this is the big one, and I use it a lot, and it's not even halfway gone, okay? And I've had this for like since it first came out, pretty much. And so I'm pretty sure that these small ones would probably last a pretty long time, even if you're using them like on a regular. I don't know, I imagine that they wouldn't go like that fast. Okay, so I guess I'll try them on in order, going from this way down. So we're gonna start with Pretty Please. This is a nice pretty pink color. Get how it looks. It's so cute. It is just so cute, guys. Okay, so it's called Pretty Please. So I'm gonna wipe my alright, so I'm gonna wipe that off. Okay. Oh, wait, oh, this one's really pretty. See, it has that nice tinted pink. This is actually long. Like, I would be rocking this. Like, it looks good by itself, even without the lip liner. But I like wearing the lip liners and stuff under the gloss, but this definitely shows up a bit. Like I said, it definitely has a tint. You can see it without anything under it. And it does have little shimmers in it. You can see the shimmers, but it's not like too crazy. Still got shimmers on my lips. So the next one I'm going to try Fussy. So I know this one has already been out, but for me it's the first time using it. This one has a little bit of shimmers in it too. This one, the color is not as, it doesn't show up as much, but it's still pretty. Alright, the next one is, oh, Confetti. It's like a frosty one. This is similar, it looks similar to, was it the Diamond Bomb that came out? I didn't get that one, I haven't tried that one, but I think this one is like, I guess it's similar, but it's still slightly, I think it has like a little bit more of a cooler tint or something. But, let's try it. It smells good. might be too much. I might have a lot on, but it has like blue and purple shimmers in it, like little sparkles, like blue and purple, like little sparkles. But it's pretty, right? Yeah, and I would definitely rock this like on top of something though. This little blue and purple sparkles. The next one I'm going to try is hot chocolate. This is the brown one. And it looks pretty. It's like a brownish shimmery color. So let's see how this looks. And this one, alright, yeah. So I'm kind of excited to try this one because it's brown. And you know, they all have like a fruity scent. Okay, I'm feeling this one. This is, what do you guys think of this one? This one, I like the tint of this. I like the tint of this. I could definitely see you still wearing it with a brown lip liner. I think it will look dope with a brown lip liner. Maybe even a nude under it still, like. Yeah, it's pretty. It's pretty. And the shimmers are very subtle. Like, they're not. Yo, these lip glosses are having me feeling myself. Okay, and last but not least, we got Cheeky. This is like a cute little, looks like a watermelon-like color. But I feel like this would be pretty. Like, it kind of has like this orangey, pinkishness to it. And of course, it has shimmers in it. They all have shimmers, but you know, it's like, they're not like too crazy. I don't know. Let's see how it looks. I think I'll like it. I think I'll like it. What do you think? You think it will look good? Leave a comment right now. Tell me if you think this is gonna look good on me. Okay, yeah. This one definitely smells. They all smell like candy, but this one. Yeah, alright, yeah, I like this. I'm feeling this. I like it. I like it. It looks really pretty to me. Like, what do you guys think? Yeah, see, I like the ones like they have like this tint to it, because then it's like you can just throw it on too without having to like put something under it if you want some color on your lips. If you want like a tint of color. And for me, I like to have a tint of color on my lips. So yeah, so this one, these two, like they definitely add like a tint of color if you want, you know. So it's a little bit more of a reddish, it's just pinkish, but they look, I love them. I love them. Okay, let's get a look at it. Okay, so that is all the colors. Yo, I'm feeling these. I'm loving them all. I'm excited for them. So, like, yeah, I'll definitely be rocking these, especially this cheeky one. I like this one and the, what is it, Pretty Please, because I like that they have, like, a tint. They have a little bit more pigment of color, and the brown one, of course. I mean, I like all of them. I'll be rocking all of them, but I feel like I'll probably be wearing these three the most. But tell me what colors you guys like. What colors are you excited to try to wear, or have you tried these colors? Are you going to get them? Do you want them for Christmas? Yeah, leave me some comments. Yeah, leave me some comments and tell me what y'all think of these. But yes, I like them. I'm excited for them. They are bomb. And they all still pretty much have the same feel as the original one. They're still nice and moisturizing. Some of them, like with they have like the shimmers, like I can slightly feel like if I rub my lips together, like, but if I rub them kind of hard, like I can slightly feel it, but not much at all. So like it feels like nice. It still feels mostly smooth and nice to me, so I like it. So anyway, so that's it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure you click the bell for notifications, okay? Because maybe you guys aren't getting notifications. That's why my videos don't get views. I don't know. Make sure you subscribe if you like this, and I'll see you in another video. Bye. Peace.
Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Shawty think she too hot, I think I'm the shit. Nose ring like I'm Tupac, yeah, we getting lit. Shawty getting juiced up, it's a gangsta party. Smoking like we Snoop Dogg, hunger who she with? I think it is her birthday. Yeah, it's going down and going up on a Thursday. Send another bottle out, I can see she worth it. We can have a drink, champagne if you're thirsty. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Shawty think she hot, shawty think she hot shit. Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Don't she think she hot? Don't she think she hot shit? Damn, she a fine, she a dime, she can pop shit. Now don't she think she hot?